safety, high efficiency, comfort, and luxuriousness. Hualing heavy-duty truck, the crystal of industrial civilization. Hualing Auto has 4 process workshops of techniques covering 120,000 square meters of build-up area, which are punching, welding, coating, and final assembly. 80,000 vehicles of annual production, advanced auto inspection and test equipments, and ERP, Enterprise Resource Planning Information Management. The punching process line has perfect techniques. The punching line of frame longitudinal beam consists of 2 hydraulic machines of 5,000 tons imported from Japan. The punching line of frame latitudinal beam consists of 5 hydraulic machines of 1,000 tons. The carriage body punching lines include 4 punching lines consist of 20 hydraulic machines of 500 tons to 1,600 tons, controlled by PLC intelligent control. The welding process lines are welding lines for cab and frame. The whole welding workshop consists of fastening drilling area of frame longitudinal beam, pre-assembly area of frame and riveting mainline area of frame. The welding line is for cab is made up of main welding line and adjusting line. Its main welding line is fully automatic welding line, consisting of 40 welding robots imported from Japan. The welding parameters and quality are real-timely monitored by computer system. The riveted frames and the welded cabs go through adjusting line and are transferred to coating workshop by self-propelling trolley. Coating process line applied automatic spraying equipments imported from France consists of 2 lines for cab and frame and adopts the advanced process of cathode electrocoating and profiling automatic coating technology and utilizes audit management model of quality control to do the overall quality inspection of products. Frames and carriage bodies pass the following processes, which are punching, welding, and coating, then transferred to final assembly process. Final assembly workshop, covering 40,000 square meters, mainly has chassis assembly line, trim line, pre-assembly line of engine, etc. The pre-assembled frames, carriage bodies, engines, tires, and spare parts assemblies are finally assembled in final assembly workshop and then the vehicles offline. The final assembly line, 300 meters long, has 12 work positions equipped separately with advanced equipments, which are bolt screwing, KVK, tire lifting platform, vacuum machine, exhaust gas collection and discharge system, and can produce various models of chassis for tractors, cargo trucks, dumpers, concrete mixers, and concrete pumpers, and make a flexible adjustment of production. Also the most advanced one of assembly line in China. Here is inspection and test line for new vehicles. All offline new vehicles have to be inspected and tested strictly, then can go to markets. All the indexes of new vehicle, which include all spare parts assemblies, function of vehicle, brake, lights, noise, outlook quality, etc. will be tested one by one here to ensure that each index of each Hualing heavy-duty truck meeting national standard. Hualing heavy-duty truck and the cab passed the tests of Chongqing Auto Test Center and the strict impact test of safety respectively. The chassis and the vehicle passed the strictest tests of proving ground and have got the certificate of CE. Hualing Xinkaima trucks, which are famous for their high quality, have been exported to more than 50 countries and areas in East Europe, Middle East, Africa, South America, Southeast Asia, etc. Hualing heavy-duty truck, international heavy-duty truck, defining the new standard of heavy-duty truck.